All right, so you will be doing a mystery epicenter that will count as a test grade for you. That way I don't have to worry about including this on the test at the end of the unit. I'm gonna go through the example real quick, just the basics. I'm not gonna do the circles because I think we've done enough of those for you to kind of get an idea of what you're doing. So we need to figure out arrival time for our P and S wave. So here we have our P wave starts approximately here. So each line's 5 seconds. So this is going to be 30, 35, 40. So 8, 30, 40. I'm going to say that's going to be about 41. So 8, 30, 41. The S wave I'm going to say is right here because that's where I'm noticing that it jumps into that really big peak. So that would be this line. So I'm going to say 8, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So I'm going to say 8, 30, 50. Then I need to subtract my times here. So that would be 9 seconds. And then I'm going to use my lag time graph that you made to figure out 9 seconds. This is not finished. You should have yours finished. So you're going to take your 9 seconds, take it over to wherever your line is, and then figure out how many kilometers. I'm predicting that it would probably be 9 seconds is probably going to be about here. So probably about 80 kilometers. Okay. So that's what you're going to do for each of these. Figure out where's my S starting, or sorry, my P starting. Where's my S starting? So I'm going to say this is 8:31:00. This is 8:30, 35, 40, 45, 46. 8:30, 46. So we're going to get the difference there. That's going to be 14 seconds. And then again, you'll go to that other table and figure out what your distance is. Here I've got, I'm going to say my P wave starts here. My S wave is starting about here. So let's say 8:31, 5, 6 seconds, and 8:31 with 35, probably 38. Subtract that off. You're going to have 32 seconds in between those. You could also take and say, well, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and then figure out what it is for that little bit of difference between where it starts here and where it ends there. So a couple ways to do that. Get your difference, then go back to your lag time, figure out what your distance is going to be. Once you get your distance, write that down, and then you're going to come back to here. And this one was for station A, so whatever my distance there is, I'm going to draw my circle for station A, my circle for station B based on that distance, and my circle for station C based on this distance. And then hopefully you have your circles close enough that you can make a nice star as to where they intersect for where the earthquake occurred.